We doing this. What up, IG, YouTube, whichever. I love y'all and I appreciate the fact that you're here. This video is a celebration of the boy. I call him the boy affectionately. Please don't come for me. He's referred to as the boy, Papa, Dada, like a whole bunch of stuff. My 9-year-old Jace Callan, and it was a fun weekend. Friday, we went to Rascals water park, which you may or may not be seeing on the screen. And Saturday, we had a celebration at CW Raceway. And don't come for me, okay? I was adhering to all the protocols at the time. This video was back in May. Go ahead and like and sub, and I just can't wait for your comments. All right, so today's Thursday, May 6th, and first order of business is to get this haircut. What's tomorrow?
Tomorrow's my birthday.
What's tomorrow's day?
Tomorrow's May 7th.
And what are we doing right now?
Getting my hair done.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, so we'll see you guys once this hair is done. Yuck. Who's that?
Jeez.
Oh, you look so good. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so explain the style that you wanted.
I wanted a mohawk. You want like this?
But I thought you wanted a mohawk? And you want the whole thing to be long in the back?
Yeah.
All right, well, it looks good. Spider Jace.
Wait.
Okay, now we're officially up here. It's the views of Barbados for me. All right, Jace is coming down, guys. 3, 2, 1, all right, so at Rascals Water Park, our session has been an hour. We're coming up to a close. I'm not gonna lie, Jace shocked me with how invested and how much fun he's having on this, because he's a shaky warrior, to be honest. Hour's up and our ride is officially here. See you on the sand, son. Good night, people. So we just got home after a nice long day in and out the water park, and Jace had a good time. Most importantly, the coolest thing is I got home to a surprise. So my aunt was waiting, and we're ready for tomorrow. The drinks are all here. As you know, Jace's party's tomorrow. My boy had a gift, another set of drinks. His cake was dropped off. Kidding, we're gonna see this tomorrow. But I think this is where things are gonna end for today. Birthday. Actually, I'll let the birthday boy come in and close off the vlog. All right, the birthday boy came to say goodnight because it's 9 o'clock and we have a big day tomorrow with the party. Your birthday's coming to an end, so say thank you to everybody for watching.
Thank you.
And everybody for your well wishes.
Thank you.
For the birthday wishes. And see you tomorrow.
And see you tomorrow.
Today's your party. So right now we're getting ready to go to the party. Cars all packed up, drinks, cake that we almost forgot. You ready Jace dressed and ready. We doing this. I've got to try. All right, Soraya. Rascals Water Park, thank you so much for that great experience, that great customer service, and just a grand old time. They went above and beyond for Jace. The owner, actually, Rob, came out and took a picture with Jace and made sure that he got a cupcake and sparklers for his birthday, which was awesome because that didn't have to be done. And customer service is quite scarce in Barbados. So when you get it, you appreciate it. And not only that, the staff had such great things to say about Rob as a boss and a leader, and I think that's awesome and so important. Thank you guys so much, and we can't wait to be back.
Hold up, swole up. Before this video ends, when it's done, I gotta represent Barbados. That's just the way it is. That's the way the cookie crumbles on these ends. I mean, if you like crumbly cookies. And now, before I say anything, anybody who knows me knows I have a deep appreciation for art. That being said, I have to go ahead and shout out a local Barbados creative painter. Her name is Natasia Rolock, and her Instagram is the same as her name. It's here on the screen. Go ahead and click follow. Listen, your girl was looking at those pictures, and I was like, hold up. Is this a still photograph or is it a painting? Because which is it? It's that good. I love it. I appreciate it. And Natasia girl, keep killing it.
What up, people? All right, so we had a crazy birthday weekend for the little boy right here who just turned 9. Y'all saw the birthday party, which was at CW Racetrack. I'll put it here. And then y'all also saw the actual birthday when we went to Rascals. However, today is my day, and I think you can hear where we are, but I'm gonna show you. And that's it, folk. That's where this is where I'm gonna be for the rest of the day till the sun goes down. Right, Dana? Make sure that you
Subscribe
and
like.
ooh, he got it.